Hi, I'm Ramona from Pacha's Salon. This is the second of 10 videos giving you free tools to use to expand your personal powers. Awareness of trees will do more for you than you know. I found out about some new scientific discoveries that you'll want to know about. When scientists first studied the structure of nerve cells in our human brains, they found a strong resemblance to the nerve cells in trees. Trees are highly social. To come to this conclusion, scientists worldwide compared results from experiments similar to this one. Fir trees were covered with cloth. They lived nearby to birch trees. This was done to block the fir tree's ability to acquire nutrients through photosynthesis. Surprisingly, scientists found increased levels of carbon-14 in their trunks, meaning the fir trees must have been getting nutrients from the nearby birch trees. All the experiments in this field point to the idea that trees are communicating with each other, sharing nutrients through their roots. Forester and author Peter Wohlleben calls it the wood wide web because it's both a complex and a dynamic system in the multiple forests that he has studied over the decades. This complex tree network is dependent on a symbiotic relationship with microbes in the soil, like fungi and bacteria. Symbiosis is when two separate organisms form a mutually advantageous relationship with each other, like my relationship with my family and friends. Mutually advantageous, supportive, caring. Trees rely on a healthy ecosystem to thrive and to protect themselves from dangers. You rely on a healthy forest ecosystem to be able to inhale clean oxygen. It's nothing new. We are connected in a circle, an ecosystem, the circle of life. One healthy tree in a single day provides enough oxygen for up to 4 people. Or think of it like this: 100 trees in one day provide oxygen to only 400 people. Do you have 100 mature and healthy trees nearby in your community? The National Wildlife Federation has been helping us for the past 85 years to keep our connection to nature. They're at nwf.org. With Ranger Rick and Rick Jr., you can inspire your children. We are nourished, mind, body, and spirit by our natural environment. I know you know climate change is affecting people all over the world. But do you know it's also affecting the ecosystems of our oceans and our forests? Add deforestation, and we have fewer trees to soak up carbon dioxide, also messing with our trees' very own wood wide web. Look for keywords and references attached to this video. In The Hidden Life of Trees, Peter Wohlleben uses, no pun intended, groundbreaking scientific discoveries to show how trees are like human families. Tree parents live together with their children, communicate with them, support them as they grow, share nutrients with those who are sick and struggling, and even warn them of dangers. Let them live. Robert Tohe recently passed away. He left a legacy of environmental and civil rights activism. He said, "If we can recognize our interconnection, the interconnectedness of all things, will be okay." I focus on living things. I'm open to suggestions for videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel with the subscribe button just below. There's no cost and no obligation. You'll simply get an email with a link to the newest video. Remember, you create every day. Find out how at pachacoach.com.